Ever felt like your team's chasing different moons while you're stuck counting mismatched stars? Fragmented goals, siloed metrics, and quarterly reviews that feel like deja vu are costing leaders like you 14% of annual productivity. Our OKR framework pack cracks this nut with smart goal decomposition, cross functional alignment matrices, dynamic KPI heat maps, and automated cadence trackers that sync with Slack and Teams. This isn't just for CEOs scribbling strategy on napkins. We're talking to COOs drowning in JIRA tickets, department heads juggling conflicting priorities, and strategy VPs tired of playing whack-a-metric. Let's turn your OKR chaos into a symphony. No more spreadsheets named Final V3, Real 3, Final Exclamate. Let's turn your OKR framework pack. Here's what's inside the OKR framework pack. Start with OKR lifecycle mapping that connects corporate vision to frontline tasks using nested objective trees. Then, run cascading alignment workshops with our stakeholder dependency graph tool. Track progress with real time dashboards featuring lead lag indicator visualizations and automated check in prompts. Our quarterly review playbooks include retrospective templates with root cause analysis frameworks and forward looking KPI simulations. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a toolkit, it's your strategy GPS with traffic alerts. Installing the OKR Framework Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add okr-framework-pack. That's it. You'll get the complete workflow: 12 implementation phases, 45 plus customizable templates, and 7 pre built dashboard configurations. This drops straight into your Claude Code environment. No config needed. Your next AI session automatically gains muscle memory for objective scoring, key result calibration, and alignment gap detection. We'll even throw in a free sticker pack so your team can proudly display, "I survived the OKR migration." Strategy alignment starts at command line speed. No more waiting for consultants to fly in.